Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a brand new unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing the number 109 of the Build and Decorate Your Dollhouse. This time guys, it's really cool. It's this really awesome like dresser closet thing. It looks really awesome. I always love these furnitures from the Dollhouse. It's really cool. But well, before we get into this, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And guys, make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course guys, make sure to leave a like down below if you like this collection, if you like this dollhouse. And of course, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas para Tener. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does giving how-tos, reviews, unboxings.
Lots of cool stuff, guys.
Yep. I will have his links down in the description below. And well guys, with that being said, let's go ahead. Let's get into this. Alright guys, so we have everything out of the initial plastic and now it's time to check out the magazine. Up the top we have the title of the collection, Build and Decorate Your Dollhouse, of course in the Victorian style. And down below it says enjoy this elegant and spectacular home of your dreams. This guys is the number 109. If you would like to see the previous 108, all you have to do is check out the playlist located in the end cards in the end of this video. And guys, here we have the dollhouse, how it will look once we have it completed. I can't wait to get it done. But well, as always guys, this collection is from Editorial Salvat. And well, let's open this up. And here it shows a German kitchen from 1928. It looks really lovely with all the blue and white. I love the tiles in the back. You can even see a baker baking and the little girl there. It's quite nice. And then here on the side it lists out all of the different pieces and parts of the kitchen. And well, let's turn the page here. And it just shows you here like close-up shots. Oh, and they even have a little dog in there. I didn't see him at first, but that's so cute. And here guys, it shows you how to make a canopy for your doll bed, which we previously unboxed. But it shows you how to make a canopy like I said. And guys, as I always say with this collection, once we finish unboxing the entire collection guys, I will walk you through how to do each one of these little projects and we will build the dollhouse together. So guys, make sure to stay tuned, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button, make sure to hit the bell to stay notified, and of course if you like this collection, if you like this unboxing, make sure to leave a like down below. And here it talks about the tools of the chimney. which you can see some there, like this little tray and a broom and a little shovel so you can gather up all of the ash. And here it has a little biography of John Stuart Mill, who was a philosopher and English economist. That's one of the cool things about this collection, is that it not only shows you dollhouses from this time period, but it also gives you a bit of history as well, which is pretty cool. And then here in the back we have the front of the dollhouse, how it will look once we have it completed. And as I said before, guys, this collection is from editorial Salvat. And well, let's flip this over. And well, guys, now it's time to check out the new addition to our dollhouse. So let's go ahead and let's do that now. Alright, guys, so now it's time to open up our brand new cupboard or closet. So let's open this up. I'm super excited to open this up, guys. It looks so cool, and the furniture in this collection is always really nice. Alright, so here we have our new little closet. And we can see that it opens quite nicely with some shelving in here. Here's the sides. And there's the back. Bottom. And the top. I really like this little closet. It looks really nice. The only thing is that I feel like this doesn't quite open as easily because some of the furniture, it opens like almost too easily, but this one is a bit tight. Maybe I can fix it. Well, I'll have to see about that later. But the wood is very nice. It smells kind of great. And I didn't notice this before, but there's these really nice kind of goldish handles on the front to use as little knobs, which is nice. You guys tell me what you guys think about our new little wardrobe or dresser thing. You guys tell me what you guys think. Tell me down in the comments below. As always, I look forward to hearing from you guys. And well, guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, make sure to leave a like down below. And while you're moseying it around down there, guys, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And guys, make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course, guys, down in the description below, I will have the links to all of my social media, so my Twitter, my Facebook, my Instagram, linked all down below. I look forward to seeing you guys on there. And be sure to go on over and, of course, subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas para Tener. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings.
Lots of cool stuff, guys.
Yep. Well, I will have his links down in the description below. And well guys, I will see you next time. Have a great day. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.